So we've got the Multistar Hobby King 570 kV motor, which was just delivered to me, and it's making some awful noise. Pretty surprising. So far okay. That does not sound very good.